Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's update is about working on the nose landing gear bay and the nose landing gear itself. And I'm gonna be painting the nose landing gear. It's pretty much assembled, and this is the one that I did the first with when I took the oleo part out from it and attach both the fork and the strut itself as a compressed nose landing gear. And the reason why I did that, because at present this is how the AVM's nose landing gear is. It has lost its nitrogen, and due to the fact that it has lost the nitrogen, the seals are worn out on it. So the gear itself, the upper body sits right against the lower body on the strut, and the forks are pretty much attached unless you put some air in it, and then the gear extends. So for the most of the time it sits like that. So what I did here is, after assembling the nose gear the way I want it to be, I used the Mr. Sir, what do you call, the liquid surface primer from Tamiya, and I brushed it onto the landing gear. As you can see, it's brushed on right now. Let's try to get some. So I did that about half an hour ago or so it's pretty much dried, and now I'm gonna paint the whole body, these attachment links here that are connected to the aft nose gear door, which will be mounted later. So basically the whole strut from top to about this point right here, before it attaches to the fork where the wheel will go later on, and this will be all white. So what I'm doing here is, as you can see, I have gloss white X2 and I have a flat base which is a clear X21. So I've taken both of the paints out, sorry about that, and a little bit of both paints because I don't need that much, and I'm gonna mix them together just enough that what I need. I'm just gonna mix that with the flat here, as you can see. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna give a semi-gloss finish to the strut itself. Now I'm doing this after. Alright guys, so I got this set up here, so I'm gonna start painting that before the paint actually starts drying, because with the flat white it will dry pretty soon. I'm gonna hold this arm here and I'll just slowly paint the strut. I can always take the excess paint out, that's not a problem, but its first thing is to apply the paint. That's the front part. I'm just doing the scissors in the back. and also doing the back. Now this doesn't have to be 100% accurate, because later on I'm gonna be putting some weathering on it with the rust pigments, as the strut has rusted over the time. The white has picked up some rust because the aircraft was neglected for many years, and that's what I'm trying to represent here, before and after. So this is the before part, which the aircraft is going through the restoration phase at the moment. I will definitely share the pictures of it so you guys can see what I mean. So that's the first coat, and I'm just gonna let it dry, and then later on I'll do the second coat and share more pictures with you.